Okay, in this forum or in this video, we're going to talk about Christian groups and their group forums. So if you want to search for a Christian group to join, you click on up here, Christian groups, and it gives you a groups directory. Now you can go through and you can see the different Christian groups. Now we have only been live for 1 week, and we have 8 Christian groups that have already been formed. Now, you look through and see one that you might be interested in. I'm going to go ahead and click through to the one I started for to help people, and which is the Christian Faithbook help group, and I'm going to join the group. Now, if I want to see what's going on with the group, I can just click the link right here. And there we go. And it says, user joined the group 10 seconds ago. Now, there's others that have joined the group, and one gal has already asked a question, or she said it was a headache, which is one of the reasons why I'm doing these videos. So, and I replied to her. So you can come here and you can someplace post to this group. Now, we should have already been joined. It didn't show us as joined. Okay, now we're joined. Now, if you have a question, all you have to do is type in your question. How do I get beauty treatments from Christian Faithbook? I bet you some of the people are really going to scratch their heads about what I'm doing with this profile until they watch these videos. Now you can also, just like on your activity feed, upload a picture or video or a link. You can also filter it by just updates or forum topics or forum replies, those types of things. Now, you can also go to the group forum. And there's one forum topic right now, and it's how do I? I started that topic. Okay, and Joe there asked a question. I obviously have a status field. Does this exist on my wall or timeline? She needed to know how to go to her activity stream. And then I answered her, and Joe's one of the people that are using this site quite a bit now. So, again, you can go and join a group, and groups are people that are interested in a certain topic. So, and now there are public groups and there are private groups. The Christian Homeschoolers group, you need to request membership. The difference between the two is that this particular group is a homeschoolers group to share ideas and to place to post their prayer requests. Well, they just don't want everybody reading their prayer requests, so you need to request membership because they want to limit it to homeschoolers and keep it semi-private. You can also have hidden groups, which hidden groups wouldn't be listed here. And a hidden group is a group for somebody that has started a group for just specific people, like, say, maybe the First Baptist Church of Pine Haven, which there is none. Maybe they wanted a group just for their members, or maybe it's a leadership team for a Christian organization, and it's just a group for them to brainstorm with one another, and it's not open to just anybody. So, and the next thing you can do is you can create a group. Say you're a Christian biker and you don't see any Christian bikers groups and you want to start one. Well, then you can start the Christian biker group. So you would choose a group name for it, and you would choose a group description. So we will just say Christian Bikers. A group for those that love Jesus and love to ride. So you create the group. Next, you go to its settings. Is it going to be a public group? Anybody can post. Is it going to be a private group where they have to ask to be a part? Or is it a hidden group? And which members of the group are allowed to invite others? All group members? Only the group admins and mods, which are the person who started it and anybody they designate? Or group admins only? And should it have a forum like I had on my help group, or do they just post on the feed? So we will just keep it at the default settings. Did I click on it or not? Yep. Then you place or upload an avatar. So you would find an image of a Harley or something like that, Christian Bikers Association or whatever, and you would upload the image. And then the next step is a gallery. Will you enable a gallery where members can upload their pictures, like they can upload all their bikes that they own or something like that? So you enable this and they can do it, or you don't enable it and you finish. And all of a sudden there's Christian Bikers. And there you go. So then you can go and you can upload to the gallery, or you can send it invites, or you can go to the administration tab and you can change the settings you just set up. Just what we did. Okay? Now, forums. Each group can or cannot, depending on what they chose, have a forum. So far, only one forum's been started, and that's the one I started in the Christian Faithbook Help. But this is where you find forums and forum topics that you can share on and talk about issues or give information that you happen to have that would be relevant to the forum topic. Okay, we're going to end this video, and then I'm just going to show you a few more tips and tricks, and the user guide will be done. Thanks for taking the time to listen.